class. Today we are learning about the Audacity basics. Like if you want to edit audios, like basic work, you need to know some basics of Audacity. This is a free software. You can download it from internet. First, I am showing you how to download it. Audacity from internet. Open your Chrome browser. Open your normal desktop. Then right here, Audacity. Search it first. You have this type of opening in Google. Here you can see the download Audacity, like audacityteam.org. Click on this link, download Audacity. Now this opens. Audacity on Windows, Audacity for macOS, Audacity for GNU or Linux. I am using Windows 10, the latest version. So we are downloading this Windows option. So you are seeing that current version is 3.0.3. New feature section. Here you can select what you can do. My Windows installer is downloading. I want to cancel it because I have installed that. You can select what you want to download here. It's Audacity 3.0.64 bit installer. It's 64-bit zip file. It's 32-bit installer, 32-bit zip file. So things, your plugins, Fmpeg, imports, export library, old FOSS, everything is here. And this is a recommended section, how much you need. There you can use Windows 10 32-bit or 64-bit, and recommended RAM and processor speed 4 GB and 2 GHz. Like it can run in Intel Pentium also, no problem. Minimum RAM and processor speed is 2 GB and 1 GHz, no problem there. So let's go to the software. So I installed the software previously. There is a Audacity software. I want to click in it. This is the interface, what you can first get in Windows 10. So let's know about what is here in the control panel and what is here and what is these things, what is right, how to use it. Let's go. First, I want to tell you about the buttons and what is function of that button. So at the top, you can see there's a file section. Here you can select how to import, export, open new file, or how to save a project. After that, you had edit. Here you can select what you did first. You can undo that and you can redo that. You can cut, you can copy, you can special, split, cut, delete, and labeled audio. Basically, this type of things in basics we don't use. So after that, there is select. You can select tracks, region, start cursor, clip boundaries, how much you want there, left that, and after that you find the view. You can zoom here, you can like make big your track, to history, extra minus. These things are we don't use in basic. Tracks. In tracks you can add mono track, stereo track, level track, time track, and you can mix two tracks and render them in another single track or mono track. You can mute and unmute, align track, short track, sync, lock tracks, on and off. You can do that. After that, you have effect. Here you can find your noise reduction, amplify, bass and treble, distortion, phase, then adjustable fade, clip fix, crossfade. How much your effects needs that here you can find everything. After that, so here you can see the 6 big buttons. Like this is a pause button, this is a play button, this is a save button or stop button, forward, backward. This is go to backward, this is go to forward, and this is the button which can record. If your PC is connected to a mic, you can tap on that and you start recording. My PC does not connect with a microphone, so it's seeing some green lines because there was no recording device, so it can't show you spectrum audio. So after starting the recording, you can stop it like this. You can select and then clean it up. Okay, then you if you want to bigger the spectrum, you can tap here and brought it. You can use that. Or audio host type is MME, and after that in this section you can find the Windows Direct Sound, then Windows WAS API. So I use MME for my all of this audio also edits in this section and this settings. After that, you have the microphone selection. If your PC is connected with a microphone, you can connect where is the microphone, and you can find that. Select the Microsoft Sound Mapper because your default mic was selected by this. If you select Microsoft Sound Mapper, your default mic in PC is selected. There was a track setting. You can select the tracks. You can select a mono track or a stereo track for recording. I prefer stereo track. That helps us. Sound Mapper is clicks, and here you can see the speakers. I have a speaker. After that, there is a Realtek digital output. There are speakers. I input the speakers as Frontech speakers there, and there are Sound Mapper output. If you select that, which speaker is default for you, that will play the sound. This is the mic spectrum. If you talk anything here, the spectrum is up and down. Here is a play spectrum. If you are importing some audio and then play it, then here you can see that. After that, in the downside, we have the project rate in hertz. You can select how much you need, but I prefer 48,000, but you can record or edit in 384,000 hertz. So after, you can select here how much audio you need. Start and end of selection. You can select that, or like if you have audio, you can select this, and there's you can see the coordinates change. And this is the timer, how much audio you recorded or how much you imported and playing. This shows that. And that's it for today. This is the Audacity lesson basics episode 1. Next episode, I will teach you how to import and export audio in Audacity. So stay tuned for that.